Yup, this is day 2 of striking a pose. Today is inspired by winning poses, so celebrating the little wins you get in life. It's important to do so even if it's tiny, like showing up for today's workout, because it's easy to let our mind slip into negativity. I don't want that happening to you. Alright, let's begin our low intensity interval training where we strike a pose for 45 seconds, rest in 15 for 5 rounds. So, are you ready to pose in some minutes? The posing begins in 15 seconds. Alright, we're gonna celebrate by bobbing our knees up and making a Y shape with our arms, with our fist in the sky, like that. Yes! 3, 2, 1, bob our knees and fist to the sky. Y shape, like the YMCA. Love that song. And we're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to pump it with one fist and alternate between right and left. So we're going to look to the right. Yes. Look to the left. Yes. That's right. That's what we're going to do in 4, 3, 2, 1. To the right. To the left. Remembering to breathe, because sometimes when you get excited, you might hold your breath. We're a little bit past the halfway point into the second round. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, left. And now we're gonna cross our arms like, yeah, we did it, and put a lean back. Now swap sides and lean back to the left, just like so, because you're important. Okay, 2, 1, cross your arms over, lean back. Now swap sides, lean back. Make a face if you feel like it. We're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Great. Now I'm going to do something inspired by Leighton Hewitt, an Australian tennis player. Every time he won, he would say, "Come on," put his foot forward and put his fingers on his head, like so. And we're going to swap sides each time. And come on! That's what he would usually say every time he won a point in tennis. Haha! We should be celebrating because we're halfway there in the second last round. Seven more seconds. The countdown begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I might have mistimed that. Apologies. All right, final one. We're going to turn ourselves to the side, lift the left leg up, and double fist bump. Or pump, I should say. Do the same on the other side. And we begin right now. Left leg up, double fist bump. Do the same on the other side. The more you clench your fist, the more of a pump in your forearms you'll get. We're a little bit past the halfway point in the final round. Five, four, three, two, one. Yes, let's celebrate. We did it. Hope you enjoyed that one. Remember to start feeling good for yourself. I know it's hard sometimes. We've all been there where the negativity can cloud our judgment. But the only way forward is moving forward by making the right choices in your life. All right, hope you enjoyed that one. Leave in the comments about the feedback on this video. And if you want to say hi, just say hi by typing it down below. Subscribe to this channel for more workout videos. And if you feel like doing more, check out my other content on my channel. All right, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.